ब्रिटिश पाकिस्तानी जीपी डॉक्टर रशीद भट्टी ने मकबूजा कश्मीर के अंदर इंसानी हकूक के खिलाफ वर्जियों पर गम और गुस्से का इजहार किया। उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान अमन के लिए काफी कोशिशें कर चुके हैं, लेकिन भारतीय हुकूमत किसी बात पर नहीं आ रही। उन्होंने 92 न्यूज के नुमाइंदे आबिद काज़मी से गुफ्तगू करते हुए मजीद क्या कहा, आप भी देखिए।
I think first thing is that we people living abroad, all these TV should get our views as well, because these are very, very important that we should talk about Pakistan as we care too much about the Pakistan. There are certain things which is very, very important. First thing, this aggression of India to take over the Kashmir, it is really very, very bad thing. My advice to the government is, being a Pakistani living abroad, he should try his best to solve it within 6 to 8 weeks, very, very peacefully. To try to find every corner to find a peaceful solution if they can, and they should do. He should ask all the head of states all over the world, whether they're Muslim or non-Muslim, he must get and must explain to them and get their opinion. Look, 70. Then tell the UN, no, 70 years they didn't solve it anyway. Now there's no more time to solve the solution. Then if it failed, then I think my opinion is that all the guerrilla wars should be started, all the front, even through the Sikh, even to the Mizoram, Kashmiri, anybody who wants Pakistan should support them. But keep their missile fitted on the cities of India, so that if they try, then we have to go for Shahadat. For us, Shahadat is the most important thing, most important death for us. Every Muslim wanted to be Shaheed.